Hello dear colleagues, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 26 animals' names and their sounds. This is really going to be fun. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1 is for Aardvark. An aardvark is a mammal that eats ants and termites. Listen to its sound. Aardvark, aardvark. How cool is that? Number 2. B is for baboon. A baboon is a kind of monkey that lives in Africa. It has a big mouth and sharp teeth. Can you say baboon? Baboon. What an interesting sound. Number 3. C is for camel. A camel is a large mammal with long legs and a hump on its back. It lives in hot deserts. Can you say camel? Camel. That's awesome. Number 4. D is for dog. A dog is a domesticated animal that makes a great pet. It can be your friend and protect you. Can you say dog? Dog. Good job. Number 5. E is for elephant. An elephant is the largest land animal. It has big ears and tusks. Can you say elephant? Elephant. Great. Number 6. F is for flamingo. A flamingo is a beautiful pink bird that can be found in many parts of the world. Can you say flamingo? Flamingo. Fantastic! Number 7. G is for giraffe. A giraffe is a tall animal with a long neck. It loves to eat leaves from trees. Can you say giraffe? Giraffe. Well done. Number 8. H is for hippopotamus. A hippopotamus is a large, bulky animal that lives in rivers and lakes. Can you say hippopotamus? Hippopotamus. Excellent. Number 9. I is for iguana. An iguana is a type of lizard that can be found in tropical areas. It has a long tail and can climb trees easily. Can you say iguana? Iguana. Bravo. Number 10. J is for jellyfish. A jellyfish is a strange-looking animal that lives in the sea. It has stinging cells and some are very poisonous. Can you say jellyfish? Jellyfish. That's wonderful. Number 11. K is for kangaroo. A kangaroo is a small animal that hops around. It can be found in Australia. Can you say kangaroo? Kangaroo. Super. Number 12. L is for lion. A lion is the king of the jungle. It has a loud roar. Can you say lion? Lion. Wonderful. Number 13. M is for monkey. A monkey is a furry animal that lives in trees. Some can swing from branch to branch. Can you say monkey? Monkey. Very good. Number 14. N is for narwhal. A narwhal is a whale with a long tusk. It can be found in the Arctic Ocean. Can you say narwhal? Narwhal. That's amazing. Number 15. O is for octopus. An octopus is a sea creature with 8 arms. It has no bones and can change color. Can you say octopus? Octopus. Fantastic! Number 16. P is for panda. A panda is a furry animal that loves to eat bamboo. It is very cute. Can you say panda? Panda. Excellent! Number 17. Q is for quail. A quail is a small animal that looks like a cat. It is found in Australia. Can you say quail? Quail. Well done. Number 18. R is for rabbit. A rabbit is a furry animal with long ears. It hops around and can be kept as a pet. Can you say rabbit? Rabbit. Good job. Number 19. S is for snake. A snake is a long, scaly animal that has no legs. Some snakes are poisonous. Can you say snake? Snake. Bravo. Number 20. T is for tiger. A tiger has an orange body with black stripes. It is a very fierce animal. Can you say tiger? Tiger. Wonderful. Number 21. U is for umbrella bird. The male umbrella bird has a large, colorful crest on its head. It can be found in South America. Can you say umbrella bird? Umbrella bird. That's amazing. Number 22. V is for vulture. A vulture is a bird that feeds on dead animals. It has a bald head and a big beak. Can you say vulture? Vulture. Fantastic. Number 23. W is for whale. A whale is a huge sea creature that can be over 100 feet long. It breathes air through a blowhole. Can you say whale? Whale. Excellent. Number 24. X is for X-ray fish. An X-ray fish is a small fish with transparent skin. You can see its bones and organs. Can you say X-ray fish? X-ray fish. Well done. Number 25. Y is for yak. A yak is a large animal with long hair. It lives in cold places such as the Himalayas. Can you say yak? Yak. Good job. Number 26. Z is for zebra. A zebra has a black and white striped body. It is very fast and can kick very hard. Can you say zebra? Zebra. Bravo. Now let's listen to all the animals again. Aardvark, baboon, camel, dog, elephant, flamingo, giraffe, hippopotamus, iguana, jellyfish, kangaroo, lion, monkey, narwhal, octopus, panda, quail, rabbit, snake, tiger, umbrella bird, vulture, whale, X-ray fish, yak, and zebra. Now let's have a little quiz. What is the name of the animal that has a loud roar? It's a lion. What is the name of the animal that lives in trees and has long ears? It's a monkey. What is the name of the animal that has a long neck? It's a giraffe. What is the name of the animal that can be your friend and protect you? It's a dog. What is the name of the animal that lays eggs and can fly? It's a penguin. Well done, dear colleagues. Now you know 26 animals and their names. Also, you learned some new vocabulary. It was really fun. Thank you for being with me. See you soon. Bye. If you want to support my work, you can become a member. Thank you for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And if you have any ideas for future videos, please write them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Take care and see you soon. Bye.